Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to delete Payees on Barclays mobile app. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser. Then here you should search for barclays.co.uk. It will redirect you to this page. Simply click on the top right side on the menu. You will find these options. Just scroll down till you get help and support. You will be redirected to this page. Simply click on the magnifying glass and here you should type delete, then hit the search button. And now you will find many results. Simply choose how to delete a payee. So here I have it. Then it will open an article. It tells you here that you can delete a payee in the Barclays app if you do not have any future dated payments or standing orders due for that pay. If you do, you will need to cancel these before deleting the payee or wait until they have been paid. And now the steps to delete a payee are the following. First, you'll have to select pay and transfer, then go and click on pay. And now you have to choose the account where you set the payee up, then select delete a payee, then choose payee you want to delete. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.